If you give this to a baby or a grandma, grandpa, they can eat it. Are you ready for Drunken Noodles? I hope you are. Will it make you drunk? I don't know. Apparently not, because there is no alcohol. Some people say it kills a hangover. It's looking so easy, so delicious, so... Ingredients. We have some basil, spring onion, chili, garlic, chicken thighs. And for the sauce, soya sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. That is it. So we're gonna start to make the sauce, mixing 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce together with 2.5 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1.5 spoon of that sugary. After this, we're gonna chop the garlic and the chili and put it together and aside. And we're also gonna chop 1 onion. You can chop it how you like, but I prefer these long half circles. I mean, look at this. They're gonna fry so beautifully. And for the chicken, we're gonna cut it into thumb-sized pieces, okay? So not too thick and not too thin, okay? Yeah, I think I forgot the spring onion. Chop that in 2 centimeter pieces. Once the onions got some color, we're gonna throw in the chili and garlic and the chicken. Chicken. Woo. Some fish sauce. Halfway through, we're gonna put the spring onion. Cooked noodles. Alright. Last step, put the basil at the end. That's it. Stir it and serve it. It took me about 30 minutes, so let's not talk any further. That is a tasty noodle dish. Nice and balanced flavor. Little sweet, little salty, little spicy. Perfect. It doesn't have really strong punching flavors. It's a very accessible dish for young and old. If you give this to a baby or a grandma, grandpa, they can eat it, I think. I'm not sure. This should be definitely in your arsenal of recipes, so make me happy. You know what you gotta do.